Looking for the best whiteboards? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 whiteboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Quartet, Glass Whiteboard. 2 by 1.5 foot. Frameless design means every inch of board is used. Large enough for multiple people at an office. Glass surface makes it easy to clean and erase notes left on for a long time. A great model with lots of surface area and magnets for mounting. The drywall anchors are not ideal and in rare cases can cause the board to fall. At number 2. XBoard, Magnetic Whiteboard. Easy to clean and rarely leaves marks. Detachable marker tray for non-magnetic markers and erasers. Lightweight build for mounting. Compact design perfect for small workspaces. A great affordable option that is sizable for magnetic accessories. While it is big enough for personal use, it is not suitable for larger workspaces. At number 1. Arteza, Magnetic Whiteboard 2-pack with pens, magnets. 4 pre-cut magnets, 16 fine point markers, magnetic pen holders, and double-sided tape for wall mounting. Silver frame gives firm support for lap drawing. Great for homework and presentations. A 2-pack of generously sized boards from an artist favorite brand. Some buyers dock points for weak magnets. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.